the recitation of Holy Quran, and since I am a Muslim, I recite it myself. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Huwallahu alladhi la ilaha illa hu alimul ghaibi wash shahada huwar rahmanur rahim. Huwallahu alladhi la ilaha illa hu al-malikul quddusus salamul mu'minul muhaiminul azizul jabbarul mutakabbir subhanallahi amma yushrikun. Huwallahu al-khaliqul bari'ul musawwir lahul asmaul husna. Lahu ma fis samawati wal ardi wa huwal azizul hakim. Mr. President, Chairman of the Benevolent Committee, my very dear senior members of the Institute, I am really grateful to all of you for attending this meeting. As you are aware, this meeting has been arranged, this dinner has been arranged to meet the senior members who really devoted their professional life for the establishment of this institute, its development and promotion. And we see the results of their efforts in the form of a solid base of this institution. In keeping with that, we organized this dinner just to remind them that we have not forgotten them, we do remember them, and we do remember their contribution for the sake of this institute. This annual dinner, if I correctly recollect, was initiated by Mr. Shabbar Zaidi few years back. This was followed by Mr. Asad Ali Shah and then by Mr. Rahim Surya. I am grateful to Mr. Misa, the current president, for accepting to host dinner for the senior members, and I am also grateful to him for being present at this time. Well, I do not wish to take more of your time, and I request Mr. Khaliqur Rahman to deliver his address. But before I do that, we have lost a few senior members in the meanwhile. I suggest that we offer Fatiha to all those who have since building departed us to heavenly abode. Please recite Fatiha for their salvation and admission to Jannah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. We also need to observe a minute's silence for our non-Muslim senior members who also departed from us. So please observe a minute's silence. Thank you. I now request Mr. Khalifur Rahman, please come and deliver his address.
A good-natured accountant once died. He had done good deeds. God was very happy with him. So God instructed the angels to give him a choice where he would like to go. So when he was asked, where would you like to go, to hell or heaven? He said, I believe in first obtaining sufficient and appropriate audit evidence, and then I'll decide where. So angel said, what does that mean? I would like to first inspect what the hell looks like and what the heaven looks like. He said, fine, this is the God's instruction. So he was taken to, it was a Friday, he was told that on one day he will go to heaven, and then other day he will go to the hell, and then third day he will be placed wherever he wishes to be. So he decided for observing hell first. On Saturday he was taken to hell. When he got down from the lift, there was a beautiful party going on in the lawn. There was jazz music, there was a tabla, there was qawwali, there was English fast music, pop music. People were dancing, chatting with each other. They saw Gina Lulu Bujira with Jarun Ziaul as well. So he said, this is a lovely place. And can I see the heaven now? He said, tomorrow. He was taken to heaven tomorrow. He entered. It was all that was promised in the books. दूध की नहरें बह रही थी, शहद की नहरें बह रही थी, सेब लगे हुए थे, नूरें बैठी हुई थी, covered complete, मोटी-मोटी आंखों वाली. So he said, no, I would like to go to hell. So third day he was taken to hell, and again lift went down. It was all warm then. So it opened up. There was a fire going on. People were crying. They were being beaten. They were being, thrown water around and whatnot. He said, this is not the place I visited day before yesterday. तो हज़रत शैतान को बुलाया गया. ये शिकायत करें कि जगह वो नहीं है. तो कहने लगा, when did he come? He said, I came on Saturday. Oh, Saturday is our recruitment day. Gentlemen, coincidentally this is Friday. Gentlemen, first of all I would like to recognize our worthy President, Mr. Rashid Mir, my all senior members who are present here and who could not unfortunately make it to this evening, my colleagues in the Benevolent Committee. Very warm welcome to you and Assalamu Alaikum. As very rightly said by Mr. Majiduddin Khan, that the institute where it is today, it is because of you people and those who were before you, responsible to build up the institution and build up the profession. I precisely recall when I started off my articles way back in 78. So we used to go to Al-Markaz building, where on the top of the floor there was a 1500 or 1800 square feet area allocated for the institute. That is the point I have seen the institute, and look what where the institute is today.